Hello children, welcome to today's class. How are you all? Fine? Okay. Today I will be teaching you an interesting topic in general knowledge. And you know what it is? I'm going to teach you all the names of common flowers. Have you all seen flowers? Yes? I'm sure you all must have seen on trees, in the market, different color flowers, no? Blue, yellow, red, white, no? On the trees also you see different flowers, you know? So today I will be teaching you all the names of common flowers. So look carefully and repeat after me. Okay children? So first we will see the pictures in this book. Okay children? And you repeat the names after me. Then I will show you the artificial flowers and I will ask you their names. Okay? Say flowers. Everybody say flowers. Rose. What flower is this? This is called a rose. Say everybody, rose. Lily. What is this flower called? This is called a lily. Say everybody, lily. Sunflower. What flower is this? This is called a sunflower. Mogra. What flower is this? This is called a mogra. Lotus. What flower is this? This is called a lotus. Shoe flower. What is the name of this flower? This is called a shoe flower. We take it once again children. Repeat after me. Say flowers. Everybody say flowers. Rose. Say rose. Lily. Repeat after me. Lily. Sunflower. Sunflower. Mogra. Say everybody, mogra. Lotus. Say everybody, lotus. Shoe flower. Say everybody, shoe flower. Okay children? There are many flowers, but I am not teaching you the names of all the flowers because you will get confused and find it difficult to remember. So at present I will teach you the names of only 6 flowers. These are the 6 common flowers you see around. Okay children? So now you look at these flowers I am showing you and tell me their names. Okay children? What flowers are these? These are called lilies. What are these? Lilies, white lilies. See? In the book I have shown you, these are lilies, no? You can see these lilies in the book. The second one, lilies. So these are lilies. What flowers are these? These are lilies. Very good. Now I'll show you the next one. Are you ready? Okay. Look at the next one. What flowers are these? You know the name? What are these called? These are sunflowers. What flowers are these? Sunflowers. See, here in the book, you can see the sunflower. You can see the sunflower. Yes. What flowers are these? These are called sunflowers. Say everybody, sunflowers. Yellow flowers these are. No children? Yellow flowers, sunflowers. Okay. Now I will show you another one. And you can tell me what is this? What are these flowers called? These are called roses. Red roses. No children? What flowers are these? These are called roses. Okay? Red roses. See? The first picture in this book. This is a rose in this book, no? And I've got a bunch of roses in my hand. Say everybody, roses, red roses, okay? You get different color roses, red roses. See, I've got another color. These are pink roses, no children? So you get different color roses in the market and even on the trees. Red, pink, white, you get different color flowers, roses, okay? Now I show you one more. You can tell me what color, what flowers are these? What are these called? These are shoe flowers. What flowers are these? These are shoe flowers. See? In the book, this is the shoe flower, no children? And I've got in my hand, these are also called shoe flowers. Say everybody, shoe flowers. What flowers are these? Shoe flowers. Okay children? Red. These are also red. Red shoe flowers. Okay? Now, I will teach you in a question answer form. Okay? So first you listen to the question and the answer and then you can repeat the answer after me. Okay children? Only 6 flowers, names of flowers I am going to teach you today. Okay? So, listen to the question first. Name some common flowers. And the answer is some common flowers are rose, lily, sunflower, mogra, lotus and shoe flower. Okay children, count on your fingers and say the names. Okay, so you will say all the names and you will not miss out on any. Okay, we take it once again. Name some common flowers and the answer is, now you can repeat the answer after me. Okay children, some common flowers are, say everybody, some common flowers are. Now open your fingers one by one and say the names. Say after me, come on. Rose, lily, sunflower, mogra, lotus and shoe flower. Okay children, we'll take it for the last time. Okay, you have to say it in a full sentence. Okay, so now listen once again to the question and repeat the answer after me. Name some common flowers and the answer is, some common flowers are, say everybody, some common flowers are rose, lily, count on your fingers, okay children, lily, sunflower, mogra, lotus and shoe flower. Easy now children? So you will continue practicing this at home. Let your parents ask you the question, name some common flowers, and you children repeat the answer after them first and then you can say the answer by yourself. Once you learn the answer, then you can say it by yourself, that too in full sentence. Okay children? You don't have to say only the names of the flowers, rose, lily, that is wrong. You have to say it in a full sentence. Some common flowers are, and then you say the names, rose, lily, sunflower. Okay children? So keep practicing till you learn the answer. Okay, and I will see you in my next class. Have you enjoyed today's class? Yes, nice colorful flowers I've got, no? See the chart over here, see these flowers on top, no? So you can look at the flowers, you can get actual flowers, natural flowers from the market. You can tell your parents to bring it and show it to you. So you look at those flowers and learn the names. Okay, that's all for today. I see you in my next class. Bye.